I need those rocks.
Well, actually, they're for the car.
Denial.
Well, we
I'm gonna build a new ramp for the rowboat, so
we need to put
should be cool.
every single.
This is a video of me and my little brother building a new rowboat launch ramp to launch rowboats through the surf. I used a new preservation technique that I haven't used before. I used some copper coat, then some stain, and then polyurethane on top of that. Stay tuned if you're interested in boat launch systems, wood preservation, or building literally anything you can imagine out of 2x4s. He is super adorable trying to move those 2x4s. He figured out how to lift them from the middle eventually, so they're easier to carry. But he lasted about 20 minutes, which is pretty good. It's pretty good. And then I kind of built the rest, but he loved helping me out. I would hold the drill for him as we planted the screws, and he would pull the trigger. Loved that. And yeah, the way we built it was pretty simple. We just tilated the 2x4s every 4 feet, and I didn't want to drive 45 minutes to the big hardware store to get the really long 2x6s, so we're doing it with 2x4s. Here's the ramp upside down for the rowboat, the new one. It's spaced in such a way that the boat has 3 struts on the bottom like this. This is a new ramp for the rowboat. I love doing stuff outside. Waiting for the last layer of poly to dry. Let me tell you about the paint scheme I used. Making ramps for a couple of years now, but I've never done one like this. I started with this stuff because it's normal wood, so this kind of will help protect the wood, keep bugs out, preserve it. And we move on to this. It's just pretty normal stain. That's golden oak. It works okay. It kind of gets in the fiber of the wood. And then we protect it all with classic poly clear gloss. It looks really good. I used all my poly up though. It looks really good. See how it looks on the beach. See if it works. The rowboat's gonna fit right in here. It's gonna go up, and it has 3 vanes on the bottom, 3 struts. This will go right between the 2. Big vane, vane, vane. Mason, this is a great ramp we built, isn't it? It's the current ramp for the rowboat. It's too wide. I built it for a sailboat. ease in. This way, if the water comes up, you know, you have a little safety margin here. It's like 18 inches, so you can put a winch on there, pull the boat up. It's all 2x4s, so I did the 3 coats of protection. Hopefully it works out. Not fun. Nice. Now I know what you're thinking. That transom looks pretty small in that rowboat, and you're right, it sure does. But I think I can flip it around on the ramp and launch it bow first in rough water. Let's give it a try. Ooh, check out this nice ramp I made.